Okay, Poochie, you think it smells like shit? I get it. It's my breakfast.
What are you doing? Jammies? Oh my god! Aw. Hi. Hi, babies.
Look at this. I just have this little guy that sits in my living room and stares at me.
Because I brought home that.
It's hot. You really...
Three. Bang! Slow.
Is this a secret hello only cats understand?
Aries, come on!
Doesn't that guy date your sister?
Yeah. Well,
Guys. Stop. I'm literally just trying to poop in peace.
Bang. Bang.
No. No. No, 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 no. 그래 나.
Cats can cause chaos. Cats don't need a reason. Makeovers are just installed from... Only besties speak this language. Everyone else is lost. Lucky there are two cats. Imagine all that energy focused on you.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You.